and we produce the TotaChair that is used for mission dentistry. I'd like to show you today how to set that up for use. The TotaChair comes in a canvas bag, so you obviously need to take the chair out of the bag. Lay the bag aside. Now the TotaChair is held together by a strap, so we'll loosen the nylon strap up with the two buckles, and it is attached, so it will just lay there. The next step then is to lay it with the largest piece of plywood facing up. Now you lift this piece of plywood up, and there is a small pipe right here and a button that you push and pull this small pipe out. Set that aside. We'll be using that in a little bit. Now, there's an aluminum bar. You're going to pull that up. This is the back leg that supports the TotaChair. The back leg is held in place by two brass brackets. Make sure they're fully engaged. We've had some problems with breakage because people didn't have these fully engaged. So you've got that leg set up. Now you set up the front leg by pulling up on the small piece of plywood. This is the front leg. And make sure they're fully engaged. Now we can stand it up. So you roll it over onto its legs. And we're ready to open up the headrest. There's two small pins, two stainless steel pins that lock the headrest in place. And you want to pull those out. Now you can unfold the headrest. Now we're going to lock the headrest in place with the back. By placing the pins back in their respective holes. Now we'll pick up the aluminum pipe that we've used. This is the back support. There's a push button that locks that in place. And there's a small lever and an adjustable rod that's going to support the backrest. That small lever is going to go into this black circular piece of plastic. So we'll stand that up and locate the hole that goes into. Now I've got that in place. There's a small pin that locks into a hole that locks that in place. This is going to allow you to adjust the height of the head of the backrest to position the patient up and down. There is also another adjustment for the leg that is locks in place, and you can raise the leg up and down with this small pipe and push button adjustment. One of the things that we strongly recommend is before you lay a patient back that you have the backrest fully in the upright position. Then you can pull the lever down and let the chair come down. Before you dismiss the patient, bring them back up to the full upright position to dismiss the patient. And that's about all there is to it. One of the things you can do to get this out of the way is to just reattach it in place and lock the strap as you see here. And that'll get it out of the way so you're not tripping over it. So there's the TotaChair. So let's take it back down again and put it back in the bag for travel. So to do so, we first need to undo the backrest support, pull out the pin, and fold that down. And we'll take off the backrest support and lay it aside. Then we're going to pull out the pins and fold up the headrest and put the pins back in place to keep it locked in position. You can also take the small pin that supports the backrest adjustment pin and put that back into the plastic. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to fold this all back up again. So you start by folding up the back legs. There it goes. Fold the chair legs, the front legs down in place. Take the strap out of the way. Now we'll lift up on the back leg brackets, fold them down. Then we want to attach this right here so it travels out of the way. So you reach underneath and attach it like so. Then stand it up on edge and wrap up the strap. So you can see that it's very rapid assembly and disassembly. And after you've done it once or twice, it comes back together and goes apart quite quickly. One of the nice features of the Tota-Chair is it's easy to travel with you. When I travel internationally with mine, I just throw it in a big duffel bag and then I throw other dental gear in around it and it goes on the airline. So there's two ways you can put this in here. One will work, the other won't. So you want to have it standing up long ways. I grab it by the small pipe. And it goes into the bag. So, there you have the Tota-Chair. Thank you very much for your involvement, and thank you for all you're doing out in the world, or else you wouldn't need one of these to begin with.